crocheting. So, I don't know if, I'm just turning that down a little bit. I don't know if I made a video I don't think I made a video about me returning from Jamaica and how it was and everything. It was awesome. I had so much fun. Like, hubby made sure that I enjoyed myself. I had a blast, okay? It was the best 30th birthday. My best birthday yet, definitely. And don't mind me if I'm not looking straight at the camera, because I'm crocheting. By the way, when I first met, like, when me and my guy first started talking, because we didn't meet physically, but when we first started talking, back in April, and we made it official in May. I know everybody like, oh my God, you guys are moving so fast. Whatever. Life is short. You know what I mean? If I wasn't sure of what I was doing, I wouldn't do it, you know? But what if I didn't take that leap of faith? You know what I mean? What if we didn't talk that day? I wouldn't have met a wonderful guy. Oh my God, he's so awesome. So sweet. So caring and loving. Has a huge heart. Oh my God. I love him so much. I thank God I met him. I thank God because he's awesome. I really do think he complete me. Well, anyway, when we made it official, I started making a blanket. As you can see, it's Jamaican theme. I'm not finished with it because it takes time, of course, but you know, I had so much going on as far as like working and getting everything ready